We are at 9101 Wall Street. We're in a concrete channel. The concrete was coming apart.
The side walls were deteriorated, no rebar, ground shifting.
It was cracked and broken in a lot of different places.
The cracked concrete will eventually come off. It will start eroding away the earthen berms on the side, which will probably start deteriorating the ponds right next to it. The same thing with the flow line over there. It would have just kept deteriorating until you had a big hole full of water.
We had to figure out how we were gonna get the dump trucks in to get the material out, how we were gonna get the concrete truck in to pour the concrete.
We bring in the excavator and pull out the old concrete, so we have to break it and pull it away, set that rebar, and then pour the concrete.
You put the rebar in so it doesn't shift on you. It's pretty much like a glue of everything.
You have to pour the concrete, and we have to finish it off smoother.
It's an art form, it's kind of like painting.
We use concrete instead of natural materials like rock because we wanted to match the existing materials. This was designed as a concrete channel. We don't want to hinder any performance of the concrete channel by introducing any other type of materials to make sure that it still works the way it was supposed to. Without this type of infrastructure, the drainage problems around the city will be worse. So this is something that we need to take care of to make sure that water is conveyed safely. This saves lives, this saves residential properties, commercial properties.
And we're trying to prevent the community from flooding. We take pride in what we do, and no one, when it does rain or we do have a bad windstorm, it'll do its job.
The guy can by and look that the water's flowing good, and make me feel good, that we do something good for the citizens, and also to look good at the same time.
If anyone sees any problems with our storm drain infrastructure, any sinkholes in the road, obstruction with these channels, any erosion problems, submit a service request by calling 311.